Yes, I bought my first sound library. Hi, I'm FirstTCL and back with another video. I bought this Spitfire sound library for strings, and yes, Spitfire don't pay me for this video. But I wanna test with you before you buy it every single function. So in these days I try different method for composing with this sound library. First one, copy and paste. I wrote this chord progression with this melody. And I copy and paste it on original, and I move forward and backward the, the note for recreate the realistic vibe of strings. The second method I use it, I wanna call it right around percussion. So I wrote this percussion line with Xpen 2 for taiko sounds and clap machine for hi-hat or percussion sound. I play the lowest note for keep the bass for recreate this tension soundtrack. The last method is play what I feel and adding some layer. Flute. And bassoons. But let's talk about the preset and function and the real coolness of this DST or sound library. The preset are various for the short note or live with this mix of short note and long note. But the real special things about this sound library is the settings. 3 different microphones. And reverb delay. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope I was helpful. If you want more video like this one, write me in the comment section down below. And for support my channel, hit the subscribe button. We see you next time.